How to live chat on Shein app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can live chat on Shein with the customer service. For this, you first of all want to open the Shein app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this app. Once you have opened it, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you're facing any difficulty with the Shein app, or you have any issue or just a query and you want to live chat with the customer service, then you want to tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here on the More Services option, tap on the Support option. Or you can also tap on this customer service icon at the top of your screen. Either way, it's going to bring you to this page. Over here, you want to tap on the customer service option. That is going to bring you into this chat. Now here you can simply type in your query or issue and then continue chatting with the customer service. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.